Your GRE test day is here. Let's make sure you're fully prepared and confident before heading to the test center. First, what to bring. Bring one valid primary ID, passport, national ID, or driver's license, matching your registration name exactly. No photocopies, expired IDs, or digital IDs are accepted. Scratch paper and pencils will be provided at the center. You cannot bring your own. Next, check-in process. Arrive at least 30 minutes early. At check-in, your ID will be verified, your photo captured, and you'll sign a confidentiality and regulations agreement. Metal detector scanning will be done before entering the testing room. Test day rules. Personal calculators are not allowed. An on-screen calculator will be available during quantitative reasoning. Personal items must stay in lockers and cannot be accessed during unscheduled breaks, except for food, drink, or medicine. Breaks and timing. There are no scheduled breaks during the GRE. You may take an unscheduled break, but your test clock will not stop. Always inform staff before leaving the room. After the exam. At the end, you can choose to report or cancel your scores. You'll immediately see your verbal and quantitative scores, while your analytical writing score will follow in 10 to 15 days. You can send scores to up to 4 institutions for free. Finally, some test day tips. Stay calm, follow the rules, and give your best performance. Good luck on your GRE.